Hey everyone, welcome to another video by Simplilearn. In this video titled Data Science for Non-Programmers, we will tell you how you can become a data scientist without even knowing how to code. So let's get started. What can you expect from this video? What's in it for you? First, we will explain what is data science to you, along with what a data scientist is and what they can be expected to do. Next, we will tell you why you should use Tableau as a data science tool for non-programmers. Then, we will look at the benefits of using Excel as a data science tool, followed by the benefits of Google Cloud AutoML and IBM Watson. So what exactly is data science? Data science is a field of study which aims to find patterns and derive information from vast quantities of raw data using various tools, algorithms, and machine learning techniques. As the world entered the era of big data, the need for its storage also grew. It was the main challenge and concern for enterprise industries until 2010. The main focus was on building a framework and solution to store data. All of this was overcome with the advent of Hadoop. Now, the focus has shifted to the processing of the data stored. Data science is the secret sauce here. All the ideas which you see in Hollywood sci-fi movies can actually turn into reality by using data science. Data science is the future of artificial intelligence. It's a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from raw data. Data science is primarily used to make decisions and predictions, making use of predictive causal analytics, and machine learning. A data scientist is someone who solves complex problems related to data with the help of statistics, mathematics, computer science, etc., and presents the data in a much more useful form. This is what a data scientist is expected to do. Data scientists are those who crack complex data problems with their strong expertise in certain scientific disciplines. They work with several elements related to mathematics, statistics, computer science, etc., though they may not be an expert in all of these fields. They make a lot of use of the latest technologies in finding solutions and reaching conclusions that are crucial for an organization's growth and development. Data scientists present the data in a much more useful form as compared to raw data available to them from structured as well as structured. Now let's look at some tools which you can use to become a data scientist without even knowing how to code. The first tool that we're going to look at is Tableau. So why use Tableau? Before we tell you why you should use Tableau, let's look at what Tableau is. Tableau is a data visualization tool which is used for simplifying data to an easy-to-use format. It helps represent data pictorially, which can be understood organization-wide. Basically, Tableau is a platform for discovering, preparing, visualizing, and sharing data. It is highly scalable and is used by data science teams across all vertical markets. There are 4 main products within the Tableau product family, including Tableau Prep for preparing data, Tableau Desktop for delivering insights across the enterprise, and Tableau Server for hosting and sharing data. Tableau comes with mobile support, which means it can be used on mobiles, tablets, etc. All of this is done with the help of Tableau Mobile, which is a companion app for Tableau Online and Tableau Server. It gives you access to your Tableau site on the go. It is available for Android and iOS, and it lets you interact with the content on your site and deliver data insights even if you're offline and are nowhere near a computer. Tableau can also be used to perform simple calculations, or you can integrate R or Python with Tableau to perform heavier calculations. Tableau software complements data science standbys such as R and Python. While Tableau may not be the best tool for cleaning or reshaping data, and its relational model doesn't allow for procedural computations or offline algorithms, it does excel at data exploration and interactive analysis. Next, we will be looking at Tableau Online and Tableau Server, which enable users to view up-to-date data. Tableau Server is essentially an online hosting platform which you can use to hold all of your Tableau workbooks, data sources, and more. With Tableau Server, you can use the functionality of Tableau without needing to always be downloading and opening workbooks to open with Tableau Desktop. You can set permissions to different bits of work, which allow you as an organization to determine who can access and interact with what. And lastly, Tableau provides detailed documentations and tutorials which make it easy to learn. Tableau has their own documentation and their own tutorials which you can view on the Tableau website. This makes learning Tableau comparably easy as all your data resources are in one place. Next, let's look at why we should use Excel for data science. But first, what exactly is Excel? Created by Microsoft, Excel is a powerful spreadsheet tool for storing, manipulating, and performing calculations on vast quantities of data. Data is stored in the form of rows and columns, making it easy to access. The first reason of why you should be using Excel is that it comes with Analysis Tool Pack, which can be used to perform machine learning. The Analysis Tool Pack is an Excel add-in program that provides data analysis tools for financial, statistical, and engineering data analysis. Analysis Tool Pack does machine learning with regression and other complex data analysis. If you need to develop complex statistical or engineering analysis, you can save time and steps by using the Analysis Tool Pack. You provide the data and parameter for each analysis, and the tool uses the appropriate statistical or engineering macro functions to calculate and display the results in an output table. Some tools generate charts in addition to output tables. Excel also provides an easy-to-use interface for storing two-dimensional data. Data is neatly arranged in the form of rows and columns. And there is simply no better editor for two-dimensional data than Excel. That's why Excel has the same layout for years. The tables are easily edited, formatted, colorized, and shared. It also allows multiple users to edit the document simultaneously. Add to that the built-in tables, filters, slicers, groupings, window splittings, cell formulae, and other features, and any alternative table or database editor just stands flat. Excel also has an add-on called the Power Query Editor, which can be used to fetch data from various resources. With Power Query, called Get and Transform Data in previous Excel versions, you can import or connect to external data and then shape that data. For example, you can remove a column, change a data type, or merge tables in ways that meet your needs. Then you can load your query into Excel to create charts and reports. Periodically, you can refresh the data and make it up to date. And finally, data is always visible and at your fingertips to manipulate as you want. This is not the case with a lot of other tools where you might not be able to view the complete data at once. But with Excel, the data is neatly laid out for you and you can change parts of data as and when you wish. Next, let's look at why we should use Google Cloud AutoML. But first, let's look at what exactly Google Cloud AutoML is. Google Cloud AutoML is a data science tool developed by Google for non-programmers. It allows people to build, train, and deploy machine learning models without having to actually write code. Cloud AutoML is a part of Google's machine learning suite offerings that enables people with limited ML expertise to build high-quality models. AutoML enables developers with limited machine learning expertise to train high-quality models specific to their business needs. You can build your own custom machine learning model in minutes. It is easy to train and build high-level machine learning models specific to your needs with the help of Google AutoML Cloud. It implements automatic deep transfer learning and neural architecture search for language pair translations, natural language classification, and image classification. You can basically build machine learning models which perform natural language processing and image classifications with ease. In each of these areas, Google already has one or more pre-trained services based on deep neural networks and huge sets of labeled data. These may as well work for your data unmodified, and you should test that to save yourself time and money. If these services don't do what you need, Google Cloud AutoML will help you create a model that does without requiring that you know how to perform transfer learning or even knowing how to create neural networks. Furthermore, Google Cloud AutoML is integrated with Google Cloud Services for data mining and storage. You can import data from the cloud, or you can upload your data and store your models with ease. You can generate REST APIs while at the same time making predictions about the output. Also, Google Cloud AutoML provides a graphic user interface to help create custom ML models that can be trained, tested, improved, and deployed. You can do all of this with the help of a graphics interface similar to a website without even coding. All you have to do is connect different parts of your models to each other and run them. The next technology that we'll be looking at is IBM Watson. So why should you use IBM Watson? And what is IBM Watson? IBM Watson is an AI-based tool which is used for data science, machine learning, etc. It automates the process of data analytics and takes care of the entire workflow and processing. Using Watson Studio, you can simplify your data projects with a streamlined process that allows you to extract value and insights from your data to help your business get smarter and faster. It delivers an easy-to-use collaborative data science and machine learning environment for building and training models, preparing and analyzing data, and sharing insights all in one place. Watson Studio's easy to create visualizations and drag and drop code put the power of database decision making into the hands of any member of your organization with no need whatsoever for IT assistance. IBM Watson, like Google AutoML, provides pre-built data workflows which automate the entire process of analytics. All you have to do is select a data workflow and input your data to it and let the workflow process your data and get the output. It supports multiple data science languages and tools such as Python and R. So if you want to modify a part of the data workflow with the help of Python and R or implement your own code, you can do so. It offers integration with other data science tools like Python. This means that you can use functionalities of other data science tools like Python along with your IBM Watson model. And finally, it provides a drag and drop interface for building machine learning models. Again, you can just customize your own workflow and remove parts of it or add parts to it all just by dragging and dropping the necessary parts wherever they might be required in your model. With IBM Watson, you can truly automate the entire process of machine learning. And with that, we come to the conclusion of this video, Data Science for Non-Programmers. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up would be really appreciated. Also, here's your reminder to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more on the latest technologies and trends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.